Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio, Roselle, New Jersey. So Corey just picked up his Ultra. He came in, he heard a bike that we had built. It was a simple 6-speaker bike. So it had fairings, lowers, and 10s in the bag, sealed and ported. He loved the sound. The problem is his bike was already an 8-speaker bike. He had the full Rockford kit on it, just wasn't happy with the way it sounded, wasn't loud enough, had no bass. So since he already had fairing, lowers, tour pack, lids, and he was doing 10s in the bags, I told him he didn't have to do all that. So we were originally gonna do a 6-speaker setup. Since he already had the speaker locations open, he said, you know what, let's fill all the holes. And we went from doing a stage 5 to a stage 7. So this bike ended up with factory head unit flashed, Sound Digital evox 800.4 in the fairing, Sound Digital evox 2 1200.4 in the fairing. So it was an 800 and 1200 in the fairing, Sound Digital 3000.1 in the tour pack. We used the 800.4 bridged. We used an HCAM Mini DSP NVS Audio T harness. We used the 800.4 bridge to run the 2. He went with Advant black 8-inch lids. So we were running the 8s in the lid off an 800.4 bridged. So that gave him 400 watts a piece theoretically. We went with the Cicada CMX carbon fiber, 100% wet proof, mid-range / mid-bass drivers. We went with the R1 tweeters to complement them in the lids. In the fairing, we went with Cicada CH. In the lowers, we went with Cicada CH. In the tour pack pods, we went with the Hertz SX165. So the 804 powers the lids, the 1200 powers the fairing, the lowers, and the tour pack, and the 3000.1 powers the 2 NVS Audio mid-bass 10s in the bags, which are sealed and ported. So we sealed and ported the stock bags, added extra layers of fiberglass to make the bags nice and rigid. We added a dowel pins to stiffen them up. We did a Limitless lithium battery, because obviously you can't run all that power without upgrading the battery. Then we did the chassis ground upgrade. Bike sounds tremendous. It's way more highs than he needs, but we have it dialed in. It sounds nice, even, balanced, powerful, and great bass out of the stock bags. And the best part, everything's weatherproof. He's actually got it strapped into his open trailer, and he's riding all the way home tonight, and it's raining out here, and when he gets home, everything's gonna be fine. So check out the build. We had fun with this one.
We would be more than time to take your hand and lead you to the promised land. We will devote time. All you got to do is be true, so let's correspond. Satisfy your emotion. Hot for the press, instantly show.
In the stillness of remembering what you had and what you love and what you had.
everybody, it's the Waffle House. If you ever been here, you know what I'm saying. And after the original, you know what it is. Remix, it had to go down. I got something else to tell you about the new Motown. Where people don't visit, they move out here. And ain't no telling who you might see up in Lenox Square. I don't know about you, but I miss the Freaknik. Cause that's when my city used to be real sick. People from other cities used to drive for miles just to come and get a taste of this ATL. I'm the MVP, most ballin'est player. Make my own moves, call me the mayor. Monday night, you
Thank you.